previously unattainable. Section 4. The Arsenal of the Future: Weaponry and Warfare. China's 6th-generation prototypes are expected to be armed with advanced weaponry. These jets will incorporate traditional and next-generation weapons, networked for formidable offensive capability. Long-range air-to-air missiles and directed energy weapons offer near-instantaneous engagement and pinpoint accuracy. Hypersonic missiles, traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, provide a potent deterrent. Space, detecting enemy movements, and engaging targets at long distances. Its laurels. In response to the challenge, the U.S. accelerated its Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. Funding was significantly increased, elevating it to a national priority. The NGAD program pushed the boundaries of aerospace engineering with advanced stealth, propulsion systems, and AI integration. Despite technical hurdles and bureaucratic inertia, the stakes were too high to fail. The future of American air dominance hinged on the success of the NGAD program. While the U.S. struggled with engine development, China built a formidable military-industrial complex. China's centralized planning and investment in aerospace enabled rapid technological advancements. The U.S. relied on outsourcing, leading to a fragmented industrial base and supply chain vulnerabilities. The loss of manufacturing jobs and expertise eroded America's industrial capacity. The industrial divide had profound implications for the balance of military power. Section 5. A new doctrine takes flight, countering China's vision of air dominance. China's 6th-generation fighter jets reflected its evolving military doctrine and a 2/AD strategy. These aircraft with advanced capabilities were key enablers of China's strategy to deter U.S. intervention. The U.S. had to rethink its military posture in the region. A new era of great power competition had arrived. Directed energy weapons. Section 2. Stealth versus sensors, a dance of invisibility and detection. The cat-and-mouse game between stealth technology and radar detection reached new heights with 6th-generation jets. China prioritized stealth with advanced radar-absorbent materials and coatings. The U.S. invested in advanced sensors to detect stealth aircraft, including AESA radars and infrared search and track systems. Future aerial combat would be a complex dance of evasion and detection. of aerial warfare and the role of human pilots. Section 4. The human element, pilots in the age of intelligent machines. 6th-generation fighter jets would still rely on human pilots for critical decisions. The role of the pilot would evolve to that of a battle space manager, orchestrating intelligent machines. Cockpits would feature high-resolution displays, augmented reality, and advanced voice command systems. Training for future pilots would emphasize cognitive flexibility, situational awareness, and collaboration with AI systems.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working.
Alliances. Section 3. A theater of uncertainty, new battlegrounds in the Asia-Pacific. The Asia-Pacific region emerged as the epicenter of great power competition. China's assertiveness and the U.S. regional presence created a volatile mix. The South China Sea became a focal point of strategic rivalry. China aggressively built artificial islands, challenging U.S. operations. The risk of miscalculation increased with sophisticated weapons systems. The Taiwan Strait remained a source of deep concern. China's military capabilities raised questions about its intentions towards Taiwan. The U.S. viewed any forceful attempt on Taiwan as a grave threat. The Korean Peninsula remained a volatile tinderbox. North Korea's nuclear programs posed a direct threat to the region. Any conflict on the Korean Peninsula could escalate rapidly. These technologies responsibly for peace and security. The skies, once a symbol of unchallenged American military might, are now a contested domain. China's entry into the 6th-generation fighter jet race has shifted the balance of air power, marking a new era of competition. This competition, while risky, could lead to breakthroughs in aerospace engineering and artificial intelligence. The United States must adapt its military doctrine and strengthen alliances to maintain its edge. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of aerial warfare characterized by autonomous systems and artificial intelligence, it is imperative to remember that technology alone does not guarantee victory. The human element will remain critical to the successful conduct of military operations. Pilots will be battle space managers, interacting with AI systems and making split-second decisions. Training must evolve, incorporating cognitive psychology and ethical considerations. The future of warfare must not be one where machines make decisions that should ultimately be made by humans. The rapid pace of technological advancement, while offering exciting possibilities, also presents daunting challenges. The emergence of 6th-generation fighter jets, hypersonic weapons, cyber warfare capabilities, and other advanced military technologies has created a more complex, unpredictable, and potentially unstable security environment. The old rules of warfare are being rewritten, and the consequences of miscalculation or escalation have never been higher. The risk of accidental conflict, always present in a world armed with nuclear weapons, has increased as the speed and sophistication of conventional military systems make it more difficult to distinguish between routine military exercises and actual attacks. The potential for cyber attacks to cripple critical infrastructure or disrupt military command and control systems adds another layer of complexity and risk to an already volatile security environment. Navigating this uncertain terrain will require a renewed commitment to diplomacy, arms control, and confidence-building measures between potential adversaries. Open lines of communication, transparency in military activities, and a willingness to engage in dialogue, even on difficult issues, will be essential to preventing misunderstandings, managing crises, and avoiding unintended escalation. Succumb to the siren song of nationalism, militarism, and fear. The time to choose a different path, a path towards a more peaceful and just world, is now. The future of humanity may depend on it.